Amazon Prime is not just about the quick shipping options that come with a membership. There are additional benefits that you may not have considered or used as a Prime member. In this video, we will explore 10 such benefits that you might want to take advantage of in order to maximize the value of your membership. So, let's get started. Amazon Prime offers a lesser-known benefit called Prime Gaming, which provides subscribers with free PC games and in-game content. Additionally, Prime Gaming allows users to subscribe to a Twitch channel of their choice each month. The selection of free games available ranges from indie titles to AAA titles, and each listing displays the expiration date of the free offer. Once a game is downloaded, it is permanently available to the subscriber. Furthermore, Amazon also has a distinct cloud gaming service called Luna, which offers a rotating selection of games that Prime members can play for free every month. As many of us are aware, purchasing clothing items online can be unpredictable and may not always meet expectations. However, Amazon's Prime Try Before You Buy, formerly recognized as Prime Wardrobe, provides an opportunity to try on various apparel, footwear, jewelry, and accessories within the convenience of your home, without any initial fees. The process is uncomplicated. Select up to 6 items to be delivered to you. Utilize a 7-day trial period to try them on. Purchase the items you wish to keep, and return the ones you do not want. For those utilizing a paid online photo storage service, this advantage will be of interest to you. As a member of Amazon Prime, you are granted the benefit of unlimited photo storage and up to 5 gigabytes of video storage. Unlike the majority of photo storage services that compress your images, all pictures that are uploaded and backed up to Amazon are stored in their full resolution. This allows you to view, organize, and share your photos with others in the resolution that you intended. If you are someone who enjoys streaming music, you may be interested to know that Amazon Music Prime is now a part of your membership and has recently undergone significant improvements. The music catalog has expanded from 2 million to over 100 million songs, all of which are ad-free. Additionally, Amazon offers an upgradable music plan called Amazon Music Unlimited and includes additional features like better audio quality, unlimited skips, and the ability to listen offline. Next up, Amazon Household is a cool feature that lets you and another adult share all the benefits of Amazon Prime without any extra charge. Plus, you can also add up to 4 kids. But be careful whom you share your account with because they can see your private payment details and other account information. Although Netflix is often the focus of discussions about streaming services, Prime Video is a formidable contender that offers great TV shows and movies, both new and old. In fact, some people contend that Prime Video has been a superior service to Netflix in recent years when it comes to high-quality content. Among the popular original content available on Prime Video are The Boys, Terminal List, and many others. Amazon offers incredible benefits and convenience, but it's crucial to protect your personal information from potential threats. That's where NordVPN comes in. With NordVPN, you can browse the internet safely and anonymously. Not only does NordVPN protect your privacy, but it also enhances your online security. Unlock a world of content with NordVPN. By connecting to servers in different countries, you can access geo-restricted websites and streaming services, offering you a range of entertainment choices. Additionally, by booking your flights and accommodations, you can secure the most favorable prices. This is due to the fact that the websites offering these services are unable to monitor your past history. If you are interested, you can try it out now. You will get NordVPN's 2-year plan at a big discount, plus an additional month free when you use the link nordvpn.com/lightc5. It is completely risk-free because NordVPN has a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can find the link in the description below. If you possess a Kindle e-reader, Fire tablet, or have the Kindle app installed on your iOS or Android device, you are granted access to a varied collection of thousands of ebooks, audiobooks, magazines, and comics each month through Prime Reading. The selection includes works by both highly acclaimed and lesser-known authors, providing an excellent opportunity to explore new books or series. Whole Foods, a grocery store known for its high prices, has been acquired by Amazon. Despite the high prices, Amazon Prime members can save an additional 10% on most sale items and access deals on seasonal favorites. In certain areas, Prime members can enjoy same-day delivery from Whole Foods, with delivery windows as short as 2 hours. Consider getting the Amazon Prime credit card, exclusively available to Prime members, if you consistently pay off your balances in full every month. This credit card offers a 5% cashback on all purchases made at Amazon and Whole Foods. Moreover, you can also earn 10% or more cashback on selected limited-time offers that rotate periodically. If Grubhub food delivery service is available in your area and you have a Prime membership with Amazon, you might find this information useful. Amazon and Grubhub have joined forces to provide 1-year free Grubhub Plus membership to Amazon Prime members, which normally costs about $10 per month. With this membership, you can enjoy limitless free delivery fees on orders worth $12 or more, as well as exclusive offers for members. Remember to cancel the service before the 12-month free period expires. Amazon's First Reads program provides readers with the opportunity to access a hand-picked collection of new books a month in advance of their official publication date. This is in addition to Prime Reading. Prime members are allowed to select one book each month from the offered selection for free, whereas non-Prime members are charged approximately $2. Once downloaded, the books are permanently available to the reader. Thanks for watching. That's all for the video. Drop a like if you found the video to be useful and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Stay safe, and I will see you all in the next one.